Yes, Bible win the election right now. Yes, Bible win now. Donald Trump, you pack up like an old truck.
Come on, we do it, Mama, we do it.
We did it.
Hold on, me have Obama for the next line.
Hi.
Alright, well, I'm gonna call Joe. Hello?
Yo,
Joe.
How is Joe this?
I'm Joe Bogdanovich, principal of Downtown Entertainment,
What's going on, man?
owners of Reggae Sunfest.
Obama, hold on. I rang Joe.
Uh-oh.
Joe Biden? Alright, see Boston now.
Hi.
We did it, Joe.
Ready to go to work?
You're gonna be the next president of the United States.
Camilla, you couldn't ask me if you could have sort out my thing. The green card.
Suppose one day a robber come and I rob your house and start rape your wife and have you upon gunpoint and you see him would drop out her hole and she put it in back. What you hear that do?
That look for her fuck up. That's the way you don't rate me. I even rate. You drop out the hole and you put it in back. How about it come? I be under gun. You love fuck.
Everybody just do this for life. Do this for life. I'll sing this one more time with me. Sing it again.
My first cup, I get my first cup, I get my first cup, I come last night. I get my first cup, I get my first cup, I get my first cup, I come last night. Me never know about back shot, me never know about disaster, me never know about expansion, me never know about roast up, but me get the one like that last night. Bring on my house and she lock off the light. Grab up the street and go along the side. She whisper on my ears and I tell me say nice. And every taking it out, and every gonna be say in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. And every gonna want all.
One of the bad mind, you want to sing with me. We never worry about no. And the rest we can life up to okay. Who are you? I am. Pick up you and where I come from though. Man can't tell you about our life. Everybody just do this for life. Do this for life. I'll sing this one more time with me. Sing it again. We never worry about no. As long as we got life, I'm doing no. Handshakes, you sing. Come on, you sing. I am fine. Pick up you and where I come from, no. Man can't tell you about our life. I'm doing okay. Left for that, let me talk my life story now.
Subscribe to Justin Blake channel. Click the notification bell if you want to receive a notification each time a new video is published.